In today's video, we will be installing the Type S TERRA PRO 14-inch light bar. Before installing, we always recommend testing your light. Simply touch the power harness to your battery posts to make sure it turns on. Start by attaching the universal mounting brackets that work for your installation. Use the included hardware to attach the bracket. Depending on your installation location, you may need to drill 2 holes using a 6mm drill bit. Measure using the light bar and mark your holes before drilling. Mount the light bar using the included hardware. You can adjust the angle of the light bar by loosening the screw on each side. Tighten the screws once the light beam is in your desired position. Run the power cable from the light into the engine bay towards the battery. Connect the hub controller to the light bar. Make sure the connectors are securely fastened. Position the hub controller away from the engine and any other extremely hot locations. You can use the included 3M double-sided tape and zip ties to secure the hub controller if needed. Next, connect the red cable from the hub controller to the positive post of the battery. Connect the black cable to the negative battery post. When connected correctly, the blue light on the hub controller will be illuminated. Plug the switch controller into any available 12-volt socket. Flip the toggle switch to turn the light bar on and off. If you need to pair the controller to your light, simply press the pairing button on the hub controller and then the pairing button on the switch. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, post them below or contact customer support. Details will be in the description.